Slides. That's a nice little keyboard. Oh man, that looks pretty awesome. Wait a minute. What the? What are those? Well, what's going on, people? This your boy Romeo from Romeo Custom PC, and I'm back with another legendary video to show you guys something brand new, something ain't nobody seen before, and something ain't nobody did. At least I haven't seen anybody do it. I don't think they've done it. This is gonna be my first official YouTube video and my first official modded build. I have basically got a case modded with something I have never seen nobody do before. I'm just gonna show you guys, and then we're gonna talk about it. That's probably how it's gonna go. It's probably easier that way. Yeah, let's go. All right, now the first thing that I use mostly, like, I don't care if anybody say, if you're gonna do like wallpaper and everything, you need Wallpaper Engine on your Steam. Make sure you get the Wallpaper Engine. Like, it is the best wallpaper ever that you can get for all of your stuff. I mean, it has so many different people, developers putting stuff on there. You have to check it out. So without further ado, we're gonna open my Wallpaper Engine. Yes, I know that. Let's go. Let that load. I forgot what's that. This is my first setup I did with my Back to the Future theme, because you know, you got my boy here, you got my Marty McFly, and then as you come over here, all of this changed as well. Look at that. That's, I mean, that it doesn't get no more custom than that right there. And then to add some more customization to it, I go into my IQ, open that up, I go to my profiles, and I click on my Back to the Future theme. And now have keyboard dancing around. It's looking crazy. On the inside, it kind of reminds you of like you're inside a DeLorean. Fully custom everything, and like everything on the background, all of that stuff is moving. This is live wallpaper on all of those. True enough, there's some things I could have done better with it, but you know, as far as my first time, mod and everything, and I haven't seen no one else on YouTube, on Facebook, I haven't seen nobody else do this particular type mod like this with this. And it just all goes together. That's my Back to the Future theme right there with the keyboard. I need to clean this keyboard. This keyboard is filthy. I be eating chicken and stuff on it. I need to do that. I mean, it just looks absolutely crazy. All right, we're gonna go on to my next theme now. My next one I had, let me see, where is it? My wallpaper. Yes, open the wallpaper back up. Put the engine back up. I'm gonna open it. We're gonna go to my anime layout. Boom. This is my anime layout. Check that out, bro. All live wallpaper. Look at that. Fully custom. Everything. You put anything you want in there, pictures, anything you want. And it's not even burning in the GPU. The GPU, well, it just started spinning. Good. Anime. I was gonna change that back to red, but man, I didn't. That's too much changing. I could probably do that again later. Let's see here. Change this. Now we went from the anime and this. Cancel that. Wrong button. We're gonna go to my. I always showed the Back to the Future. I'm gonna go to my Lambo layout. Yeah. Boom! That's my Lamborghini theme. It's amazing. Back in here. Lambo. All live wallpaper. I should have changed that. I could change stuff. That stuff takes too long to change. I think I got one more. It's like one of my favorite ones. I know a lot of people are probably gonna like it. I know I do. Change wallpaper. And now we're gonna go to my Cyberpunk theme. Also like, Yeah.
Get your butt down. Okay.
And my other one. Cyberpunk, that's like the cities. Walking by. All of that smoking. It doesn't get no more better than that. That junk is crazy. Oh yeah, one more. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got one more. Including that one. Got one more. Change the wallpaper. And we have here the yellow, the purple, or Kobe. Right.
We don't have numbers just yet. We're looking at this impacting you later in the week, but we're
Full Kobe bear. Look at that. That's crazy. Don't get no better than that. Full customization. I ain't seen nobody do it yet.